Hi, this is Nikita Lambert and welcome to the Solid Expert Tech Tip. Today, I'll show you in the new SP3 version of SOLIDWORKS Composer how to import a texture of SOLIDWORKS inside Composer. It's not really how to do it, it's just showing you that you can do it now. First, you have to open your file of SOLIDWORKS inside SOLIDWORKS and apply a texture. In this case, it will be wood. Just like that, select the wood and apply it to your part, save it, and then go inside Composer and convert your file into a Composer SMG file. You don't have to select any other options of SOLIDWORKS Composer. Just import your file the way you did before. There it is. And when the conversion is done, you can see that you have your SOLIDWORKS texture on your parts. There you go. You can see that it's not really the same quality that we can see inside SOLIDWORKS. If you turn on the real view graphics of SOLIDWORKS, you're gonna end up with better results. But still, we can import the texture of SOLIDWORKS inside Composer now. Thank you and have a nice day.